So is Groove worth it? Groove funnels we're talking about. Well, I got to tell you something. I think it absolutely is. Basically, you can run your entire business for free for 1 full year with no credit card required, and I don't think anybody out there is doing that. And it's absolutely really simple to sign up. You just click this button right here. And in fact, I even have a course that's going to show you how to set up Groove and run it really quickly and easily. All you got to do is click the link below in the description, and you can sign up for free. So let's look at what you get with Groove. Basically, you got a really good website design page builder here. In fact, this entire page right here was designed using their software. I mean, why wouldn't they, right? So you can get web pages done. You can get funnels done. You can create a selling system where you can sell products, and they could be physical products as well. You can create affiliate offers, so you can absolutely get people to promote your products and services for you. You can do video. You can have a membership site. You can actually have a store that actually runs e-commerce. It has a blog in here. You can create webinars, and you can have social proof on your website, tons of forums and pop-ups as well. So what I did is I actually signed up for a lifetime deal, and you can too if you want to. But if you want to try it out for 12 months, it's simple. You just click this button right here. No credit card required, like it says, and you will be absolutely amazed at how awesome this software actually is. But this program does it all. Like I said before, you can do Groove Pages, GrooveSell, GrooveMail, GrooveMember, GrooveVideo, GrooveBlog, GrooveCart, and GrooveWebinar. And they all work really, really well. They're simple to use, and they're exactly what you need to build an online empire. They also have GrooveAI as well, which is a really, really cool system to help you write headlines, copy, even ads, articles on social media posts, product descriptions, and ideas. I mean, it's absolutely unbelievable because this tool was actually designed by marketers for marketers. So the prompts are already in there, and you don't have to do much thinking at all. And you can get access to this for just $1. You can create webinar slides and interview questions. You can design surveys and create polls easily. You can optimize e-commerce and Facebook ads, and it does so much more. So once you're logged in here, you can see all of the stuff that you can do with this software. I mean, absolutely everything you can think of to create awesome content using AI. So in my opinion, I do believe that Groove Funnels, now Groove 2.0, is definitely worth it giving a shot. So just click the link below this video and access my course and access your free 1-year trial of Groove.